Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I pre-grilled my turkey. So yeah, let's get into it. So the ingredients are just few: black pepper, some seasoning for meat, hot spicy pepper oil. You can get this recipe also on my channel. So what I'm going to do, I've already cleaned, like washed and dried my turkey. I'm going to be grilling about 2 turkey thighs and 2 wings. You can grill as much as you want, okay? And mind you, this is pre-grilled, not fully cooked, okay? So I'm going to season both sides of the turkey with salt and pepper, that spicy oil, and chicken or meat seasoning, which is optional. Actually, you can just skip this step. And the reason why I'm adding the oil is because I want it to be a little bit spicy, you know. So I did this, like, if you, the reason why I pre-grilled, I actually put them in the freezer. So whenever I feel to use turkey, I will just go in and pump it out and cook with it without running around or trying to cook. So this actually is helpful, okay? So after like seasoning the both side of the turkey, I'm going to add the oil now. Like, this oil is optional, you can skip this oil, okay? Like I said, it's a bit spicy oil, and I have the oil recipe here on my channel. So after I'm done greasing the both side of the turkey, my oven is already preheated at 180. Depends on how you want yours, okay? So I'm going to grill both side of the turkey, like each side for 20 minutes. So both sides is going to be grilled in the oven for 40 minutes, and we are done. So as you can see, my turkey is ready, like fully ready. I'm going to pop them in the freezer. I've already used them to cook before, and this is the oil that came out of it. Like, I put this pan under the turkey, so you can also use that oil to cook something else, or you can just get rid of them. So you can preserve this. Like, I still have some in my freezer. I use them to cook stew, anything I feel to use them to cook, and it tastes so good, guys. You need to give it a try. You can even use it for stew as well. Like, the taste is just amazing. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you include this for your Christmas prep recipes, okay? Your family your families are going to love it. Yes. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.